Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Everyone belongs to Krishna's family, but we have to see what he is doing for Krishna. Just like everyone is citizen of this state. Why a man is given high position and big title? Why? Because his service is recognized.
Right.
The one must give service simply to feel I belong to Krishna's family and doing nothing for Krishna. That is not.
That's not good.
That is not. That means very soon he will again forget Krishna.
Actually, the other element is so powerful. These people here, because even though they're part of Krishna's family, but because they have forgotten, then we become influenced by their forgetfulness.
Forgetfulness means Maya.
Yes.
Maya is nothing. It is forgetfulness. That's it. It has no existence. Forgetfulness does not stand. But so long it is there, it is very troublesome.
I've been asked a question by some devotees sometimes that they don't feel happy, so even if they're unhappy mentally, they still should continue in Krishna consciousness, I tell them. Even if one is unhappy.
But you should show example. If you show an example different way, how they will follow? Example is better than precept. Why you are living outside?
Well,
Last time I was so much deteriorated in health, I had to leave this place. That does not mean I leave the society. I went to India, helicopter, or came to London. That's all. So health may be sometimes, but that does not mean we should give up the society. If my health is unsuitable, here I go. I have 100 centers, and you will not go out of this universe for your health recovery. You have to remain in the universe.
Yeah.
Then why do you go out of the society? Pushing out the customers. We have to live with devotees. Why I left my family? Because they are not devotees, therefore I come. Otherwise in old age I would have been comfortable. No, we should not live with the non-devotees. Make a family man or anyone. Just like Maharaj Vibhishana. Because his father was not devotee, he left. Came to Ramchandra. Vibhishana. You know that?
yes.
So Prabhupada, it says that a sannyasi should live alone. That means only with devotees.
Oh, where is this sannyasi should live alone?
I mean, sometimes in your books.
Huh?
Sometimes in your books. So that means with devotees?
You're not sannyasi, may live alone. But sannyasi's duty is to preach.
That I don't ever want to stop.
Huh?
I don't ever want to stop preaching.
Not preaching, but you cannot manufacture preaching. You must do preaching according to the principle ordered by your spiritual master. You cannot manufacture your own way of preaching. That is required. There must be some leader under the leadership. Yasha prasadat bhavata, why it is said. Everywhere in the office there is some immediate boss. So you have to please him. That is service. Suppose in an office, in a department there is office superintendent. And if you do in your own way, yes, I am doing my business. And the office superintendent is not. Please think that kind of services. Similarly, we have got everywhere, we have got immediate boss. So, we must what? That is systematic. If everyone manufactures, invents his own way of life, then there must be chaos.
Yeah, that's true.
Now, we are world organization. There is spiritual side, and there is material side also. That is not material side, that is also spiritual side. And systematic management. Otherwise, how it will be done? Just like Gausanga sold the house and there is no trace of the money. What is this? It did not ask it anyone. He sold the house. And where is the money? There is no trace.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.